Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Friday, and you might hear some thunder. We have a little bit of a rainstorm going on. You'll probably notice I'm a little wet. My son was trapped at the neighbor's house, and it just started downpouring, so I had to go save him. He was fine. They were just hanging out inside, but just wanted to get him home safe. But we have to get the stuff off to take it to the post office very soon. So we're going to show you guys what sold for us today.
Yeah. All right.
Kathy's all nice and dry and warm, and
No.
Reese is over there sleeping next to his bed that we just brought back up.
Giving us the stank eye.
He's such a weirdo, Reese. What, are you gonna get back in your bed?
You're not getting nothing.
No? Okay.
You're not getting nothing.
All right.
Alrighty. This is a pair of men's Echo. What are these? Like an Oxford dress shoe, basically. These are, I'm sure you can't tell, but they're missing their insoles.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they were in really good shape, so I did take a chance on them at $5.99. Sold for $28.66 plus ship, so I'd say that was worth it.
Yeah.
I don't buy all shoes without insoles. It just really depends. But I've sold many, so you definitely can sell them if you're willing to try.
Mm-hmm.
All right, a hanging item. Please just lay down.
Come on, Reese, lay in your bed. Lay in your bed.
Sold one of these little life vests. Got
Yeah.
a bunch of these from the bins. My cost of goods that day was $1.02 for each item, so that's what I have into this. I accepted a $10 offer on Mercari. I thought that was fair. Buyer paid shipping as well. I'm making like a $7 and some change profit, so. And it's large, but it doesn't weigh much, so I am just putting that in a mailer.
Yeah, and it's almost like it's self-padded, right? Like, it's not gonna get damaged or anything.
I guess like the plastic buckles.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Maybe put a layer of bubble around that.
I have a theory that the stuff that's in poly mailers is handled more carefully than the stuff in the
true.
boxes. So that's just my theory.
All right, Starbucks tumbler. My first one to sell of these. The metal. Already took the price off the bottom. So yeah, this one I did buy with my points. So, but you only get $20, and this was like $22.95, I think. So I basically paid $2.90. Oh my gosh!
Uh-oh.
And now it's not new. Just kidding.
Oh, just had a sale.
Hey, sweet.
We'll pull that in a little bit.
But yeah, anyways, I paid like $2.95 out of pocket, but sold for $32.76 plus shipping. So well worth paying that.
Is it still in new condition?
Honestly, I probably could have got away shipping that first class. I have a box, and the item itself isn't that heavy, but I did charge the buyer priority shipping, so I'm shipping it priority.
Yeah.
I hope that's just like the little
I'm
paper.
sure it's just paper inside.
Like, did I break a piece of it?
What's rattling?
Luckily, I could just go buy another one, but
Yeah.
that was a good sale. I think I made about a $25 profit there. I don't know what box I'm using quite yet on that. All right, this is a bundle to a viewer.
Oh, that rain is picking up. Holy,
need it.
you know what? It might be hail.
Don't need that.
I'll tell you, the grass has been needing, so it is hailing a little bit. Yeah. Darn. Hopefully they don't get any bigger.
I must have wrote down the wrong
Uh-oh.
letter or something. I might have oversold it. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
it was in there. I just didn't look far enough back. Phew. Okay, so that. And now what did I do with the label? Oh my gosh, I literally like lost the label in the meantime.
I'm sure we'll.
Just like drop it, but I know, but it's a bundle, so I don't know.
Oh.
Did I like drop it in the box? Oh my gosh. Okay, here it is.
Okay, found it.
VI.
It's a day.
I mean, it was VI.
It was. It was going smooth, and then the rainstorm.
All right, got some Echo men's sneakers and then one of the Blue Adidas t-shirts. So I have $9.99 into these, $10 into the shirt. Zach, thank you so much. Bought these for $59.92 plus shipping. So.
Zach, awesome. Thank you so much for that support. Glad we didn't oversell that shirt and we had one for you.
All right.
And thanks for that support, man.
I think this should fit in a padded flat rate, but if not, I'll do a 13 by 13 by 9. Or, because that's the last shoebox over there, if I need a shoebox for something else, I'll switch. But
yeah, because I don't want to go back out in that rain right now.
All the other ones we store outside.
In our trailer,
outside.
yeah.
Gotta go outside to get to them. All right, so this Daniel, however you want to say that, it's the Dillard's brand, but it's a 100% cashmere sweater. Bought at the bins, $1.97, sold for $20 plus shipping on eBay.
Is that the Cremu?
Yeah.
I didn't know that it was started with Daniel, so I just always thought it was Cremu.
I feel like they have a couple different lines of it. All right, AT. Peter Millar. Purple button-up shirt. Sold for $18 plus shipping. This is a button-up. I think this is the first time I've sold a button-up from this brand, but I've sold the golf polos a lot, and those sell for a little bit more. Anyhow, I paid $3.99 into $18 plus ship, so not too bad. Let's grab that out. Although I still need to use those, but when it's a man's item, I'm just gonna use this.
Hey, men like strawberries too.
They do.
I don't, but.
All right, CE. This was a great sale, but it's like no profit because it was something I bought for myself. So, some Tory Burch sandals. I actually bought those from Savannah Street Savvy off her first Whatnot auction, and I actually wanted these. Like I've been wanting a pair, and I bought them from her auction for $65. Plus, I had bought a shirt, so like I only had to pay $250 for the shipping. So I'm in about $67.50. Which I felt comfortable with because I knew if they didn't fit, I could resell them for at least break even, which is about what I did.
Yeah.
So, they fit, but like my feet are a little bit too wide, so these are really slim foot beds. Anyhow, sold them for $81.96 plus shipping. I'm profiting like $2 after. So, yeah, those are just going first class. I'm gonna bubble wrap them though because of how much they cost. But yeah. All right, BO, I think it's a little smeared. So, Shayla sandals sold for $19.96 plus ship, and I bought these at the bins for $1.02. They're going in a padded flat rate envelope. All right, and then I sold this Miami Vice set.
It's like our first DVD set that we've sold, huh?
I don't really look for DVDs. I don't know why I looked at this. Maybe because like.
Was this at a garage sale?
No, this was at the bins.
The bins.
They have tons of DVDs there, books, stuff like that. I rarely even look in that section. I think I only looked at this because it was a complete inbox.
Right.
And I feel like Kevin or somebody that I watch sells sets a lot. So
yeah.
I looked it up, obviously, before I bought it.
Yeah,
and
it's in really good shape, too, right?
Yeah, it's heavy, though, so I did average my cost of goods. So technically, I only paid $1.37 per item that day. But I sold this for $40 plus shipping, which is pretty good for DVDs.
And you had checked to make sure all the discs were there?
I did. I mean, obviously, I didn't watch them to make sure they're not
right.
I looked at them like this to make sure they're not scratched. They're honestly all really good. I'm sure they were like adult owned or something. Yeah. So, anyhow, hopefully no issues there, but low cost of goods. If there's any issue, we can just have a refund, I guess.
Yeah.
I feel like I just threw a box up in here. I bought something and got it in this box, which I feel like is the perfect box for that. So,
sweet, we'll put some bubble wrap and some paper.
So yeah, that's going out medium mail, so it only costs like $5 something to ship, even though that's almost a 5-pound package. I think it is a 5-pound package, so yeah.
That's the benefit to selling DVDs and books and stuff, right? Medium mail, it's just a lot cheaper.
Yep. All right, CA is down here. This is a men's marmot. Marmot cup. Bought for $5.99. I thought I bought this for like $2 or $3, so I sent an offer on it for 18 plus ship. So I'm only profiting like 9 when I thought I was gonna profit like 10 to 12, but that's okay. Still a good sale to me. Oh, I already got it out. Here. So, Holy Mailer. BR. Had some really good sales, I feel like. This is a good sale. We shared this on our live last night. Some Noble sneakers. Nice. Second pair to sell this week. Got these at Plato's for $14. Sold for $87.96 plus shipping. So, really great sale. And those are also going in a padded flat rate. I don't normally like to do for this high dollar of an item, but they lived in Georgia, so the shipping was like 11 something so it was like $3 more. The padded flat rate comes with coverage, so I was like, I'll just do that this time. Okay, and then box H sold some Crocs. This was actually a surprising sale to me because of how fast it happened. Yeah, these are just some rose gold flip-flop Crocs. Bought for $10 retail arbitrage. Sold like, I want to say in less than an hour for my full list price, which is $39.95 plus shipping. So really good. And they're size women's 6. So honestly, when I was listing them, I was debating on even listing them that high. Like, I was like, 40, is that too much? But I was like, well, we always have a sale running. I always send offers. So I'll just list them. I'll send offers down to like 30. But they sold like right away, so that was surprising. But what was more surprising is they sold global shipping, and they sold, I think, to Canada, and she was all in like $68 or something for a pair of Crocs, which surprised me. So, hey, let's open one of these. Let's do strawberries. All right, so shipping hip strawberries. Oh, they did come out with their stickers today. I've been running around all day, so I haven't sat down to even look at the designs. But yeah, maybe I'll pull up that eBay sale and at least pull up a screen so you guys can see the stickers after we get these all packed up. So that
was the last one for now?
That was the last one
for
now.
So yeah, let's get this packed up. We'll be right back and share all that stuff. It looks like it stopped hailing, so that's good. Yeah. It's been super dry and hot here, so I'm happy about the rain, not happy about the hail. What do you think, Reese?
This bed over here. You just feel all out of sorts.
He's like,
just don't want it.
I just want to lay down without this. We'll be right back.
He looks concerned.
All right, guys, got everything packed up. Reese was of no help at all. Big surprise. And we had another sale come in while we were packing up, so we have 2 more sales to pull. Kathy's just finalizing it. I started a little bit too early. So
Rude. Okay.
We are trying. Our post office closes in 10 minutes. I don't think we're gonna make that one, but we do have some family activities this evening, so
just drive by a different one.
Yeah, we'll take it to a further post office on the way down south to be with family.
Okay, so that sale that came in earlier was actually to Debbie, our viewer. Not those. Okay. Sorry, I wrote the wrong box, I guess. I have 2 different kinds of those, so.
Gotcha, just the wrong box.
AU must be.
AU. All right. Perfect.
These ones. So Debbie bought these Columbia unders new at tag. Got these for $5 retail arbitrage. She got them for $17.18 plus shipping. So thank you, Debbie.
Awesome, Debbie. Thank you so much for that support.
Yes. All right. I'm just putting the sticker on, I guess. Sorry. Forgot we're like still in the middle of recording. Debbie, strawberry mailer for Debbie.
Hey.
All right, and then this one that just came in, AC. It's a Hurley t-shirt. So I sold the same one the other day, although the one I sold the other day was a little bit of a darker blue shirt. But same pattern and everything. This one bought for $5, sold for $16.36 plus shipping, a Hurley t-shirt. So not bad. I'll just do, Hurley, this one, because it has a sun on it.
Sunshine. Does the Hurley shirt have sunshine on it or something?
Yeah, it says eyes on the horizon with the sun.
Gotcha. Got to coordinate the poly meals.
Exactly. All right, so I did pull up those stickers I was talking about.
Yeah, let's check them out.
So they have 3 kinds. I like them all. I'm probably definitely going to order these. I'm probably going to order these too. Who knows? I'll probably order all 3. Anyways, they do ship for free. They're $16 for 500. If you use our code Ginger15, should be like 13 something.
Yeah.
Free shipping. So a little more than if you buy them, you know, like the black ones we have on Amazon.
Right, these no name thank you stickers.
Although last time I bought those, I feel like they went up to like $10.99.
Yeah.
Which these are way cuter for a couple bucks more. And if you break it down by sticker, it's like 2 cents a sticker.
Yeah.
I kind of like mapped all the polys and stuff in my head. Like I'm like, this is about 25 to 30 cents for the whole, the poly mailer, the label, the sticker, and the plastic Cellophane that we do
bag,
it.
yep.
So, and I kind of put that in my shipping cost when I do shipping on eBay and everything like that.
Right.
So that's how I account for it. But yeah, if you want to order, we do have a code. Those just came out today, July 1st, and then they also still have all their mailers. You know, we've showed you the new ones, but they still also have older prints on their site as well. I love, love, love this one. This one is like one of my faves. Yeah.
Yeah. I like that it's supporting another small business, you know, that's a mom-owned business, right?
I'm excited because, like, yeah, when they first started, it's been years now. Yeah. When I first found them through Kitizen, they had one print, you know, and I actually...
It was like a GoFundMe one, wasn't it?
It was not like a what is that called? Like a Kickstarter.
Kickstarter, yeah.
Yeah, so we, like, paid $15 for the first... But we didn't get our package for, like, months after because they had to get enough money to order their first order, and now they can do all this at once. So that's just really exciting.
Yeah. It's awesome to see that small business grow. And, you know, like, these stickers are okay, but I feel like their new stickers coordinate with all their mailers.
Yeah, and honestly, like, I know we've mentioned this before, but we have new viewers. Like, what they do is... So this is Shipping Hip, but this is the person that
they collaborate.
Yeah. So they are making some money as well. So your purchase isn't just supporting Shipping Hip; it's supporting the artists. It's just like it's just a good thing all around.
Versus you know like some Amazon company.
All of us, we're all just trying to make it out here. If we all just like bought from each other instead of from Target or Walmart or whatever.
Yeah.
But
anyways, that's what's going out today. We're going to get going. Like I said, we do have some family stuff. This weekend, my little sister is getting married, and so there's just all kinds of activities going on this weekend. Lots of people in town. So we're just running around now. So we got to get going. Guys, thank you so much for all the amazing support. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.